How to fix Facebook video no sound. So if you're not being able to listen to a sound on a Facebook video, so when you open up Facebook, maybe you go to Facebook Watch and there you're trying to watch a certain video, there is no audio. Now first of all, it could be that your phone's volume is set to the very minimum or set to mute. So you want to make sure that your media volume, not ringtone or notification volume, but media volume, which you can also expand depending upon the phone you're using by tapping the volume UI, and you have to specially make sure that your media volume is set, otherwise you'll not be able to listen to it. Sometimes only that specific video might not be having the audio, so you can try to go ahead and then scroll through other videos if you want to. Now sometimes it could be the issue with the Facebook app, and I agree with that. So in that case, if you're using Android, you can launch Settings app, then you can go to Apps, then simply select the app called Facebook over here, then go to Storage, clear the cache files and clear the data. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Facebook app, check if it has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're using on iPhone, by the way, try to offload the application and see if that helps you. So hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.